Hey, I'm Eric Peterson, owner and broker of Kopa Real Estate. On April 1st, the Williamson County Appraisal District is scheduled to send out their notice of appraisal values for your real estate. You're not going to be happy, but I have some good news. Most homeowners, when they receive their tax value, will look at it and say, what is this? This value is crazy. If somebody's willing to pay me that much money for my house, I'll sell it to them. Well, here's the good news. If that's you, we probably can sell your house for at least that much, if not more. Based on last year, the homes that we sold for an average of 4.1% above the appraised value. That's almost $17,000 higher than the appraised value is what we received for the final sales price. So when you receive your notice of appraised value, don't be angry. Give me a call, 512-791-7473, and we can talk about what we would expect your home to sell for in today's market. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.